In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view trading history in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your closed trades, how to adjust the time period, and how to export a clean report for your records or taxes, all using the desktop version of MetaTrader 5 on Windows or Mac. First, open MetaTrader 5 and make sure you're logged in to your trading account. You'll only see your own closed trades when you're connected, so confirm your account is active in the platform before moving on. Next, look to the bottom of the MT5 window for the panel often called Terminal or Toolbox. This is the control center for your account details, open positions, and account history. If you don't see it, no problem. Go to the View menu at the top and select Toolbox, or use the shortcut Ctrl+T. It should slide into view along the bottom of the screen. Inside that panel, click the History tab. This is where your closed trade history lives. You'll see each symbol you traded, the time your order was opened and closed, the entry and exit prices, and your profit or loss on each position. If your broker provides it, you may also see commissions and swap charges. You can scroll horizontally if some columns are hidden, and you can resize columns to make the most important details easier to read. To narrow down what you're looking at, right-click anywhere inside the History tab. From here, choose a date range. All history shows everything in your account's past, while last month or last 3 months are handy for quick reviews. Custom period lets you set exact start and end dates, which is perfect for analyzing a specific strategy period or preparing quarterly summaries. Keep in mind that timestamps typically reflect the server's time zone. If you need a shareable or archivable copy, right-click again and choose to save or export the report. You can export to HTML or XML. HTML is easy to open in any browser and works well for printing or sending to an accountant. Pick a clear file name and a safe folder, and you'll have a neatly formatted statement that includes balance changes, equity, and a breakdown of each trade. Finally, you can filter and sort what you see. Use the right-click menu to filter by instrument or date, and click a column header to sort by profit, symbol, or time. Sorting helps you quickly spot your best and worst performers. That's it. With the History tab, a couple of right-clicks, and a quick export, reviewing your MT5 trading history is fast, clear, and organized.